What's up, everybody? Hope everyone's having a good day today. So I am out taking Darcy for a walk on the beach today, and as some of you that may have dogs and white interior cars know, that's not an easy task to keep things clean. I'm going to show you how I deal with that issue, both keeping the seats clean and cleaning them when I have to. So yesterday I decided I'd had enough trying to record YouTube videos with my GoPro. It just doesn't work all that well from a composition standpoint. The videos actually come out pretty good, but you can't see what you're doing. Once it's mounted somewhere, you have no ability to actually see how the shot's framed, see how the audio is looking, to see how the exposure and all that stuff is coming out. Historically, I was between that and using my D800 DSLR, which makes actually really good videos as long as two things aren't happening. One is that you are moving or the subject's trying to change focus, because the autofocus is awful and it doesn't do it automatically. And two, as long as you get the focus right the first time, which is hard to do when you don't have a screen you can see in. So yesterday I went out and got a new Sony RX100 Mark 7, I believe it is, which has a flip-up screen. I'm using it right now, and I'll show you the setup. There's a few more pieces I want to get to that setup. They're ordered off Amazon, but they're not here quite yet. But for now, this seems to work. But this is hopefully going to make my videos significantly better now that I can see what I'm doing, look in the screen, make sure everything's looking good. And, quick thank you to those that watch, subscribe, like my videos, etc. The ad revenue that I got from the channel did not add up to enough to actually get this camera, but it was a little bit and it helps, so thank you again. For those that are new to the channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below on how you think I can make my videos better, or if there's a certain subject matter you want to see. But now I think I'm good to go with a camera setup. I've got this, I've got my Insta360 1X 360 camera, which was really fun at the racetrack, and I've got my DJI Mavic Pro 2, which I don't use anywhere near enough, and I need to get out there and start using more. I just need to make sure I know how to use it well enough and can use it safely, so working on that. More to come from these new cameras, and hopefully the quality's good. Always looking forward to your feedback. Leave it in the comments below. Wait. So this is how we keep those white seats clean. So what we use is an Orvis dog hammock that kind of sits across the back of the seats. Let me zoom back out here. Goes over the two headrests there, and then the front headrest, and it's got a little pass-through so you can get air conditioning and everything. Darcy loves it. It's quilted, works great, keeps the sand off. So we're gonna now go get Darcy all dirty, and we'll see how it works. So in case you think that she's not getting dirty enough, here's a montage of her playing with all the other dogs and rolling in the sand. Back in a few. Come on, girlie. Come on, girlie. Alright, well, we're back from our walk. We're going to get her in the car, get it all dirty, and then I'll show you how to clean it up. Alright, Dee, get in. Come up. Girl. Lie right down. All right. First thing before we head home, I want to remind all of you a couple of things who travel with their dog in their Tesla. One is dog mode. Put that on if you're going to leave your dog in the car. It'll put the screen on, keep the air on, all that good stuff. But the other, and more importantly, maybe, always hit that button to make sure they get AC in the rear seat. I think it turns on when it detects enough weight back there, but Darcy's little and she doesn't trigger it, so it's always worth taking a look. See you when I get home. Well, there's proof that it's super messy back there. I'm not sure if you can see all the sand, but it's everywhere. All right, well, I'm home and about to clean the car. I actually took the dog upstairs, cleaned her first, took a shower, hence the different clothes. But now it's time to dive in to clean the car. Well, I hope the title of this video wasn't too misleading, but to keep your white seats clean, all you really need is a good shop vac and a couple of extra items. First one is a small crevice adapter for a shop vac. This one's got a little brush on the end. You need a Scotch-Brite tape roll for getting all that hair. And then finally, Armor All cleaning wipes or something similar. Really all you need is a paper towel and some cleaner to spray on there, but these work really well. Well, there you go. That's how you keep your white Tesla seats clean if you've got a black dog that likes to get dirty all the time. No real secret there. It's just keep them covered, keep the sand off of them, and then clean them when you're done. I'll put links to all the cleaning materials, the dog hammock, and the new camera gear down in the links below. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate everybody who watches these. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Hit the like button. Leave something down in the comments below. And we'll talk to you next time. Thanks again.